Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will be fine. This is class 9th subject General Science. Today we are going to discuss another kingdom, that is kingdom Plantae. The kingdom Plantae, it includes all multicellular eukaryotic autotrophic plants which use chlorophyll for photosynthesis. मे दोप यह किंगडम प्लांटी मज अत मज तमाम मल्टीसेलुलर यूकैरियोटिक ऑटोट्रॉफिक प्लांट्स यम यूज करा क्लोरोफिल फॉर photosynthesis, which use chlorophyll to synthesize their own food. Some of the important features of the kingdom Plantae are as follows. Key features kingdom Plantae key features हम first यम kingdom Plantae हंद organisms, they are multicellular eukaryotic. They are multicellular eukaryotes having chlorophyll to synthesize their own food. That means these are multicellular eukaryotes. Multicellular eukaryotes, they are multicellular eukaryotes and multicellular autotrophic eukaryotes. That means they have chlorophyll. Due to the presence of chlorophyll, they synthesize their own food. Synthesize upon food by the process of photosynthesis. Second feature is that their cells have a large central vacuole and a rigid cell wall composed of cellulose. You see, plant cells large central vacuole rigid cell wall use cellulose, which is made up of cellulose. Third feature of kingdom Plantae is mode of nutrition. Their mode of nutrition is autotrophic. That means synthesize their own food through the process of photosynthesis by chlorophyll. The reserve of food material is stored as starch and fat. You see, reserve of food material is stored as starch and fat. Fourth, in plants they are mostly non-mobile, being encoded to the substrate, fixed substrate. A few forms are freely floating in fresh water or sea water. Freely float as fresh water or sea water. Fifth feature is growth of plants. It is undefinite. That means new organs are continuously added. New organs are continuously added throughout the life. That means growth in plants is a continuous process. It occurs throughout the life. Back features plants, they are producers of food in the biosphere. Biosphere producers. Classification of kingdom plant. Kingdom plant is further classified into different divisions on the basis of certain reasons, whether the body is differentiated, has differentiated components or not, whether the differentiated body has special tissues for transportation of materials, minerals and food, whether on the basis of ability to bear seeds, whether the seeds are closed or naked. On this basis, kingdom Plantae is classified as follows. On the basis that plant body is well differentiated or not, it is divided in two types. Thallophyta. Body well differentiated Beak plant is plant body differentiated tam dai qismich. Plants do not possess vascular system. Vascular system Beak plant vascular system xylem and phloem vascular system bryophyta. Tam plant vascular system, they are further two types. अकेस तम प्लांट्स यमन सीड्स कहीं तमन वन टेरिडोफाइटा तम प्लांट्स यमन सीड्स तम ति फर्दर दो किस्मिक यमन सीड्स नेकड तमन वन जिम्नास्पर्म्स तम प्लांट्स यमन सीड्स इनसाइड फ्रूट्स दे आर कॉल्ड एंजियोस्पर्म्स. This is the classification of plants. Tell one is kingdom plant. It includes the following 5 divisions. Athas 5 division. Thallophyta, Algishama, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms, and Angiosperms. Angiosperms. Tell one is kingdom plantation. It has 5 divisions. Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms, the Angiosperms.